Sometimes as investors, we just have to stop and put the pieces together. Stick around and I'll show you how to do it. On July 15th, 1799, the Rosetta Stone was discovered. In the Egyptian town of Rosetta, a group of French soldiers uncovered an artifact that would change our understanding of history. What the French were doing there is a story for another day. But carved in 196 BC, the ancient slab bears the same decree in three different scripts: hieroglyphics, Demotic, and ancient Greek. For centuries, Egyptian hieroglyphics had been a mystery, their meaning lost to time. However, the Rosetta Stone became the key to unlocking this lost language, enabling scholars to finally decipher the stories, records, and wisdom inscribed on ancient Egyptian monuments. The stone's discovery sparked a scholarly race across Europe. Decipherment required years of effort, with linguists painstakingly comparing symbols, seeking patterns, and collaborating across countries and disciplines. In 1822, French scholar Jean-François Champollion finally cracked the code. The breakthrough let the world peer into an entire civilization's economy, religion, and culture as never before. Beyond ancient history, the Rosetta Stone became a symbol of persistence, cross-boundary cooperation, and the world-altering impact of finding the right translation or key. Here then are 4 lessons for modern investors, courtesy of the Rosetta Stone. First, beware of confirmation bias. Stop trying to force the pieces to fit. For decades, scholars made little headway on hieroglyphics, often falling into the cognitive trap of confirmation bias, which means seeing only what they expected to see and interpreting symbols in ways that fit their preconceived theories rather than the evidence. Many early attempts at decipherment failed simply because experts didn't question their own assumptions or seriously consider alternative explanations. In investing, we face the same pitfall, seeking out data that supports our favorite thesis and ignoring contradictory signals. The real breakthroughs, financial or otherwise, happen when we step back, question our assumptions, and are willing to revise our views in light of new, sometimes uncomfortable information. Let the Rosetta Stone be a reminder. Progress often means letting go of what we know in order to truly understand what is. This episode of the History Lessons podcast is sponsored by Victory Independent Planning. Hey, are you ready to take the stress out of your retirement? At Victory Independent Planning, we put you on the right trajectory with our exclusive VIP retirement glide path. Our smart approach prepares you for what's next by optimizing your sources of savings and income, your medical and healthcare planning, your advanced estate and giving strategies, risk management and investing, and tax planning. Let us help you glide into retirement with confidence. Text GlidePath to 239-567-5477. That's GlidePath, all one word, small letter G, to 239-567-5477 and receive a link to schedule a complimentary consultation. Do it today to start your journey on the VIP retirement glide path, because your future deserves a safe landing. Next up, keep pursuing the key. Breakthroughs, well, they just take time. Deciphering hieroglyphics wasn't a sudden event, but the result of years of effort and incremental findings. For investors, the biggest returns often come from patient research and revisiting complex puzzles over the long run. Sometimes the next big aha lies on the other side of a few frustrating setbacks, not an overnight success. So stay committed to refining your process. The Rosetta Stone was cracked by those who stuck with the challenge. Third, diversity of tools and perspectives yield the best results. The Rosetta Stone's power lay in its three languages, the only reason the mystery was ever even solved. In investing, relying on a single tool, model, or worldview can limit your potential. So combine different methods, technical and fundamental analysis, local knowledge, global data, and advice from multiple disciplines. It's often the translation from one domain to another that delivers the best insights. And finally, context changes everything. For centuries, literally, the meaning of hieroglyphics remained hidden because no one had the context for translating them. The stone provided that missing link. For investors, context is everything. Don't judge data in isolation. Identify the economic, policy, or market conditions that shape the numbers. A quarterly report only makes sense in light of the broader cycle. A news headline is noise without any context. Like Egypt's long-lost stories, true value in the market often becomes clear only when you have the right frame of reference. Okay, one final thought. The story of the Rosetta Stone isn't just about unlocking an ancient language. It's about overcoming our own mental shortcuts and embracing a wider, more humble search for meaning. In both history and investing, the willingness to challenge assumptions, seek new perspectives, and question the easy answers is the real key to deciphering complex worlds.